Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, subscribe. Today we're going to be talking about this smartwatch called the Sanlepus 2020. Now, this smartwatch is pretty cool. I've been using it for about a week or maybe even 2 weeks at this point. And it's probably not the craziest smartwatch in the world, but it kind of resembles this Huawei watch I've been looking at online. Has some similar features to it. It lets you make phone calls, listen to Bluetooth music through it, lasts 24 hours in a day. Some cool things that I want to talk about in this smartwatch. Now, it's a really affordable smartwatch, and I just want to do a quick review of it since I've been using it for about 2 weeks. Really been enjoying it. It comes in a variety of different straps to choose from. You can choose up to 4 straps in the package. I only chose the rubber one because I knew I'd be doing a lot of sports, but you can choose up to 4 straps at the time of checkout. There's so many different variations of straps. You could choose between the metal one or the Milanese one, the rubber one, or the steel one. There's so many different options and colors, but it's like really business-like. Now, one of the things that I really do like about it is that you're getting several different watch faces to choose from. It gives you, it says right here, 8 or 10 different dials. So this one is one of my favorites because it gives you that battery percentage right on there, your steps, your heartbeat, your calories burned. If you long press, you can kind of toggle through all of the different watch faces and things of that nature. But let me see. Swipe across and you can choose between all of these really cool watch faces. There's over 10 of them. There's even a Kobe Bryant one on here, which I was using for the last week, which was my favorite. So I'll just keep it at this one. Now, there's a lot of cool features with this smartwatch. It's going to do a variety of different things for you, such as let you see your phone book, let you see your messages, let you see your email notifications. Emails, you can't really read the whole email, but you can get notified. Text messages, you could read the whole text message. Now, you do get remote Bluetooth for music, remote for your camera, remote access to make phone calls. Now, you cannot text message directly from this thing, only get text alerts. But this thing does have a heart rate sensor, pedometer reminder, alarm clock, stopwatch, Bluetooth music, like I said before, steps. It also tracks your sleep as well, so that's a really cool feature on this watch. Something that's really important, calendar notifications as well. So just a variety of things that you can do on here. Now, when you toggle through the interface, it's really easy to find the different things you want to choose from. You have Find Your Device, which you can pair it to your device and it'll actually search for it. World Clock, you do get the call log so you can see who was calling you, things of that nature. Phone book, even as a vibration mode. I'm not sure what that's for, but it's called vibrator. You can set the language as well. There's 2 buttons on here that control the back right here, so you can go back and it takes you directly to your walking, running, hiking, biking, basketball mode, as well as badminton, ping pong. I'm not sure who's going to be really playing ping pong, but it's maybe like tennis or something. So it's a really stylish smartwatch, offers a lot of variety of features. I've been tracking my my sleep in depth, and I'm going to show you some of the tracking that I've been getting on here. The chip that they use on here is the MTK250 plus BMA425 dual chip for long battery life. Now, I get about 24 hours, a little bit over that, and I charge it about once every 24 hours to 32 hours on this watch when it's paired. Now, if it's not paired to your device, it will last a whole lot longer. But it is equipped with the ECG monitoring for efficient operation, meaning that you can track like things that are really important to you in your lifestyle. So if you're like having a heart problem or something, it's gonna actually give you that function where it says right here that, let me show you right now, It keeps an all-day 24-hour heart rate on you. Health monitoring, which shows your body status. You could swipe across right here easily to the right and get your heartbeat on here. There's an ECG, which I was talking about before, which tracks chest pain, tightness, panic, suffocation, dizziness. It can check all of that. Only 1 minute, and it's commonly used for examination methods, but it's not for like real scientific purposes. It's just to track your health on the daily as you go, so you don't have to go to a doctor and things of that nature. Now, I really do like the mode where it tracks your sleep, and that's one of the favorite things about this device, but it has this proprietary cable which you have to use. You can't, if that thing breaks, it's a wrap. You can't use like a universal cable, so that's the only thing, and it's magnetic. So I'm gonna get ready to charge it now because it's at 50%, but you can listen to Bluetooth music on here. And I'll let you hear, I'll pair it to my device so you could hear that. But all you would have to do is go to the app, which is located on the smartwatch. And I'll wrap the video up shortly so it's not too long, but the app is actually on here. It's called Fundu. Now those two things are paired, so now I could go straight to the smartwatch. And I could just go right to the dialer. You swipe up, you can get your battery percentage as well. And you could go right here, see Bluetooth music, Bluetooth phone call right here, single connection. And it's already connected for the Bluetooth phone calls. So now all you have to do is go to the dialer, and you can make a phone call straight from the watch. So you can go to the dialer right here. Let me just dial 611 and call. Now it says right from my watch it's dialing, and it's actually gonna play from the smartwatch right here. It says you can swipe vertically to adjust the volume.
Due to higher call volumes, you may experience a delay in requesting.
So I think that's pretty cool, guys. Phone calls, Bluetooth music, 24 hours battery life. Waterproof underwater, but you can't, it's not like if it gets steam inside of it, there's not steam proof, so just keep that in mind. But I think this is a really pretty cool smartwatch for what it's worth. If you spin these dials, they don't really do anything. It's just there for like design, but for $30 you're getting all of that. I really think this is a cool smartwatch, guys. Let me know what you guys think about it as well, but I'll get right back with you guys later. Peace.